Samsung revealed a new phone called the Galaxy S24 Ultra earlier this year, and it impressed a lot of people with its special AI feature. Now, they're working on the next version of this phone, which will come out in 2025. Even though it's still a while before its release, we've heard some details about what it might be like. If you're interested, you can watch my previous video to learn what's been leaked about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. As per Tom's guide, the Galaxy S25 Ultra might have a larger screen, around 6.9 inches. There are also rumors about boosting the brightness of the phone. Right now, the Galaxy S24 Ultra offers 2600 nits of brightness. Although there's not much information available about the camera specifications of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, there are rumors suggesting that Samsung is planning significant upgrades for this aspect. Currently, it's speculated that the phone will include a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. Because the Samsung Ultra model has consistently used the top-tier Snapdragon processor, it's anticipated that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be equipped with the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. This new processor is expected to greatly enhance the phone's performance and AI capabilities. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra could also feature a 5,000 mAh battery, similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, we're still waiting for more information about the battery specifications to be revealed. We're still in the dark about Samsung's plans for the next version of One UI. However, Google is currently developing Android 15, and it might give us some hints about the upcoming features that Samsung could incorporate. It's important to remember that the details mentioned about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra are all based on leaks and speculation. The official unveiling of the smartphone will happen next year, so we'll have to wait to see what it actually offers. In the meantime, we can expect more leaks and rumors from experts which might give us further insight into what's to come. The cameras of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra haven't experienced the smoothest debut since the phone's release. However, it appears that a solution is in the works to address the remaining 3 issues. According to Ice Universe, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will improve many camera problems in the next camera firmware update, including telephoto image quality, inaccurate white balance, and abnormal red color. But they have not given an accurate timetable. I hope they can solve it in April. Although there haven't been numerous complaints about these specific issues, they do exist. However, it's important to mention that there hasn't been a specified time frame provided for the release of the next update. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.